Imagine a world where your phone understands your voice, your car drives itself, and your doctor is an algorithm. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, or simply AI. But what really is AI? And why is everyone talking about it? Let's break it down, simply, clearly, and in a way even your grandma could understand. Definition of AI artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. In other words, it's when computers are programmed to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. AI doesn't mean robots with feelings, at least not yet. It means machines doing tasks that normally require human brains, like recognizing faces, translating languages, or recommending the next video you'll watch. A glimpse into history. The idea of AI isn't new. It started way back in the 1950s, when computer scientists like Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" The term artificial intelligence was first used in 1956. Early AI was rule-based. You had to tell it exactly what to do. Today, thanks to machine learning, AI can learn from data and improve on its own, just like humans. The three types of AI. Let's simplify this. Narrow AI, also called weak AI. This is what we have today. AI that's good at one task, like Siri, Google Maps, or Netflix recommendations. General AI, a machine with the ability to understand and learn anything a human can. We're not there yet. Super AI, smarter than all humans combined. Science fiction, for now. So when people say AI is taking over, they're usually talking about narrow AI, which isn't actually taking over, just getting better at helping us. Real-world applications now, where is AI being used today? Healthcare, detecting diseases early with higher accuracy. Transportation, self-driving cars and smart traffic systems. Finance, fraud detection, trading bots, customer service chatbots. E-commerce, product recommendations, personalized ads. Social media, algorithms that decide what you see. Smart homes, voice assistants learning thermostats. It's everywhere, even behind the scenes. Improving supply chains, farming, security, and education. Why AI matters. AI is not just a buzzword. It's a shift, like electricity, the internet, or smartphones. It's changing how we work, live, communicate, and even think. Companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Tesla are investing billions in AI. Startups are being built overnight using AI tools. And the best part? You can be a part of this revolution, not just as a user, but as a creator. Course Roadmap Overview. Now that you understand what AI is, let's talk about what's next in this course. Here's what you'll learn. How AI actually learns. Machine learning. The brains behind AI, neural networks, and deep learning. How AI understands your voice, NLP. How it sees the world, computer vision. Real-world AI tools you can use right now, and how to create your own beginner-level AI project. By the end of this series, you won't just know what AI is. You'll know how it works and how to build with it. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and follow this full beginner-friendly AI course. Drop a comment below. What's one place you've seen AI in action today? Let's decode the future together. If you want to learn this course, subscribe Future Mind AI Trends to this channel. Like, share, comment, and press the bell icon so that you get updates.